This is how we generated our AI pop star. Firstly, we generated a song with a simple prompt, pop electronic upbeat about the northern lights in Iceland. It took 6 attempts to select the right one. Next, I generated the face of our pop star using Tanger AI, with a prompt, 25 years old male pop singer. I created an AI avatar from the image using Vidno's AI and used the generated song as a voiceover to create the lip sync. After that, I generated some images related to the theme and animated them using various video generating AIs. Then, I created some morphs using the text-to-video method. And voila! Our AI pop star is ready.
I'm chasing the northern lights through the starry Icelandic nights. Oh, the magic, the wonder, the sights. I'm lost in the beauty that shines so bright.
How did you like it?